to do? Was that really you on the phone? I've got a problem with phone relationships. I've got a thing for you. I've got a problem with stone cold hating lips. I've got enough love for two. I've got a problem with stiff held rigid hips. I've got a thing for you. Every word you say to me in text is mine. Every line you give to me in writing is divine. But was that really you on the phone? Was that really you all alone? Was that really you? What am I to do? Was that really you on the phone? Did they change your voice on the phone? Did they hide your name from my home? Did they change your voice? Did they make your noise? Did they change your voice on the phone? Is it a vast conspiracy to keep you away from me? Is it a worldwide set of crises to keep you from being with me? I've got a problem with a one-time calling since it's really got me blue. I've got a thing for you, my only win. My love for you is true. But was that really you on the phone? Was that really you all alone? Was that really you? What am I to do? Was that really you on the phone? Did they change your voice on the phone? Did they hide your name from my home? Did they change your voice? Did they make your noise? Did they change your voice on the phone? You called one night out of the blue. Suddenly I didn't know, what did you do? You weren't whom I felt coming through. You weren't the one I knew. Is that really you on the phone? Is that really you all alone? Is that really you? What am I to do? Is that really you on the phone?